Global IP Trust Presence. The EyeCube. Meet the EyeCube, a tiny and efficient solar-powered wireless home security camera. The EyeCube is roughly the size of an apple, but has the power of a full-fledged security camera. Its portable size makes it easy to install anywhere. Compared to conventional cameras, the EyeCube is smaller, but keeping all features with perfect functions and able to absorb sunlight 270 degrees with easy installation and uninstallation. The most impressive feature of the EyeCube is that it needs no charging. It comes with a 3000 mAh battery that charges itself using solar power. The built-in battery allows it to continuously work for 3 months without charging. It also comes with a PIR mode in which the camera activates itself when something appears within the capture range. This makes it consume even less power per day. The high adaptability allows EyeCube to fit in different scenarios while remaining the convenience of installation. The portability lets you take the EyeCube anywhere you go, including camping sites. The full HD camera allows for crystal clear visuals. It also comes with 10-meter enhanced night vision, infrared systems, and AI motion detection. The camera can also be used as a power bank to charge your electronic devices. It also lets you live stream the footage through a dedicated app. No matter where you go, EyeCube is the perfect portable home security camera. For more information on the EyeCube, visit imagelectronics.com. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more.